Good afternoon, dear colleagues. Today is 11th of December, and this is a new release of the daily wave review of the Forex and cryptocurrency markets from TradeHub. And we will start with the pair of euro-dollar. I believe that after the correction in the first wave in form of a double zigzag, we get waves 1 and 2 as a part of the fifth wave of the senior degree. I expect continuation of growth and reaching the level of 1.2250 and above. As for the franc dollar, most likely we get the ending diagonal within wave 5 of 3. Now a correction in the fourth wave is developing, and after which I expect a continuation of the decline. As for the British pound, I'm out of position yet. It looks like we are getting a zigzag in which wave C ends its formation. All this decline begins with a zigzag, so I believe that it has a corrective nature, so growth will continue. As for the Canadian dollar, let me remind you that the alternative option has become the main one. Yesterday, as we expected, we received a decline within wave 5 of 3, and after the correction in wave 4, I expect that this pair will continue to decline. As for the dollar Japanese yen, I switched to the option that a correction ABC will be formed in the upward direction, and not an impulse as we expected before. Since the current structure is extremely similar to a triangle, and as we know there is no triangles in the second wave, so I believe that it could be wave B. For the Australian dollar, the price continues to rise and our main option was confirmed. I expect the growth to continue. As for Vti Crude Oil, I am already without deals from the very beginning of this impulse. I will look for buy points only after a correction. Now wave 5 of 3 finishing its developing, so I believe that wave 4 will developing soon. For the Standard & Poor's index, I expect more clear patterns for entering the market. I believe that a correctional movement is developing downward, and after its completion, I expect further growth for this instrument. In the gold market, we have two options. The first one, correction in the form of a zigzag that you can see on the chart, and the second one in the shape of a flat, where the second wave ended here. Both options indicate that the price will continue to grow. The only question is it will start to grow from the current prices or after deeper correction. And the last for today, Bitcoin. Bitcoin so far unchanged, so the triangle is still valid. You know that it is not profitable to trade in a triangle, so we are not opening new deals now. There is an option to get a deeper reduction and extend this correction for several weeks. That's all for today. Thank you for your attention. I hope it was useful for you. See you on Monday.